Representative Hobbs, you have a question?
I do, sir. Thank you very much. Representative Harris, when I read this, I'm reading this as though it is a minimal, I mean, just because that may be one of the requirements, and university may put other requirements on there. However, it's really a basic requirement for all higher institutions funded by the taxpayers of Arkansas. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Committee, any other questions from the committee? If not, we're going to go, at this point, we're going to go to the audience. And Mr. Harris, I think we'll go to FAR first. First person that signed up to speak for the bill is Kenny Wallace. I believe that's correct. Mr. Wallace, will you, in the table, identify yourself? Mr. Harris, you may want to just slide over another chair if you want to. Mr. Wallace, identify yourself to the committee, and you may proceed.
I'm Kenny Wallace with Secure Arkansas. I'm here just to talk about the overall objective of bills such as this. Illegal immigration has been a burden to the
Sir, just be sure we stay on this bill in particular, okay?
Yes, sir. Illegal immigration has been a burden to the United States of America, including Arkansas. Arkansas courts and police departments spent $14.7 million on illegal aliens in 2004. And the Department of Corrections spent...
Sir, you're off the bill. We need to discuss the subject of this bill that Mr. Harris has presented.
Now, I'm talking about
I understand what you're talking about.
Reducing illegal immigration.
Yes, sir, I understand that. Let's talk about the in-state tuition, okay?
Okay. In dealing with illegal immigration, there are some groups who claim that we should stop all efforts to deport illegal aliens and treat them as legal immigrants and U.S. citizens, which would include things such as giving them in-state tuition. There was an effort to do that in 2005. The overwhelming majority of the rest of America, including those in Arkansas, believe that we should not treat illegal aliens as legal immigrants. We should instead use attrition and enforcement to remove illegal aliens from our country, or in this case would be our state, and return to the governments that are responsible for their own citizens. They also believe that the children of illegal aliens in every country are under the jurisdiction of their parents' country. Bills such as Missouri's SB 1250 and Oklahoma's another immigration reform bill in Oklahoma have resulted in reduction of illegal aliens in those states. Arkansas needs to pass similar legislation for similar results. And while the state of Arkansas can't deal with some federal issues such as the Supreme Court interpretation of the 14th Amendment, we do have the power to deal under the 10th Amendment of the Constitution to deal with in-state tuition. House Bill 1008 will be a good start in reducing the amount of funds available to illegal aliens, thus forcing them to leave the state.
Thank you.
That's all I have to say.
Thank you, sir. Any questions? Would you answer questions if we have any? Committee, any questions of this young man? Seeing none, you're excused.
Thank you, Chair.